Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the Fillet Xpert. Activate the Fillet tool and now go to the Fillet Xpert tab. There's 3 tabs here: Add, Change, and Corner. Let's go to the Add tab. And now let's select this edge. The Fillet Content toolbar pops up. When I mouse over it, the edges to be selected appear in magenta highlighted in the graphic area. The Fillet Content toolbar gives us a shortcut way of selecting edges. For this example, I'm just going to select one edge. Now let's click Apply. The wizard remains open. Let's select a second edge. Uncheck Tangent Propagation. Let's make the radius value 15 millimeters and click Apply. Let's select one more edge now. The radius 5 millimeters. And let's click Apply again. Now let's go to the Change tab. That's where we modify our existing fillets. Let's select the 5 millimeter radius fillet. It's highlighted in the graphic area. I'm going to change the radius to 6 millimeters and then click Resize. Let's select the 15 millimeter radius fillet. Change to 10. Click Resize. As you noticed, instead of 3 different fillets, I've only got 2. If I want to resize the individual fillets, let's right-click, delete, right-click, delete again. And let's change back to 15 millimeters in radius. Resize, and we're ready to accept our work and close the Fillet Xpert. The Feature Manager design tree shows 3 individual fillets. Let's try to edit Fillet 1. Right-click, Edit Feature. Notice that I don't have access to the Fillet Xpert tab from here. However, if I apply a new fillet, and let's go to the Change tab, we do see all 3 fillets in the fillet list. Let's right-click under Fillets to change and clear selections. Now let's select the 6 millimeter fillet. Click Remove and Accept. Now we've only got 2 fillets in the design tree. Let's Shift Select and delete these 2 fillets. Confirm. Let's add a couple more fillets. I'll select this edge, and then I'll click on the Connected to Start Face 3 Edges option. Then I'll select this edge, and once again, Connected to Start Faces. A total of 8 edges are selected, as you see in the Items to Fillet box. Radius 10 millimeters and Apply. Now I'll select this edge. Let's change the radius to 15 millimeters and Apply again. And let's go to the Corner tab now. We'll select this corner. Let's click Show Alternatives. Here we've got 2 options. Let's try option 1. And as you see, the corner updates in real time in the graphic area. To change the other corner, I can do the same thing, but there's another way to do this. Select the corner I want to copy. Now click in the Copy Targets box to activate it and select the target. Click Copy To. Let's return to the Change tab. If I try to select the corner fillet here, I'm not able to, but 3 adjacent fillets get selected. And this concludes our lesson about the Fillet Xpert.